Miracle Farm singing.
Well, if you want to keep the pregnancy, keep it. But that pregnancy is not mine.
Crazy. A girlfriend in Gina Nebusha for say.
What do we do now?
I don't know.
Gina Jimdoli Yinsan Amavana one. Namasavana. Okay, Juma Ose.
We have a long way in life. We cannot start making babies now.
Hey, Beninipa, I don't know Academia.
That's why I want to saw the ferry at Chadia.
What's on Chasam? In an age one. Benin Pro Donald Sunine. Miracle Films, Accra, in a Kumas, the Spice Store, Accra, in a Kumasi. Miracle Films, Nadia Buari.
Yes, what is it?
Oh, you young girl.
So?
Man, can you be what friend Bob? Asapedo Nadia.
How can I marry a man who already has a wife?
How about Solomon and all the others God interacted with?
Well, that is between God and them.
American boy. Area boys no so what Penadia.
Do I look like I'm a girl of your class?
Waiting the body we know the other woman talk.
Korea no that. American soldier.
Yes, sir, President Bush.
Asamosia Hada American boy Epeludwa kwa Miracle Films Accra in a Kumasi The Spice Stores Accra in a Kumasi Miracle Films
You kakayo kakaya na gakumba
Your friend Uncle Bo in your Kakabanya Abrobe Uncle Boa and no was Sikanti Asha Abrobe Moye Chinzama Sassan was Abrobenifio Regisika Miracle Films Accra in a Kumasi The Spice Stores Accra in a Kumasi
Viviana's mine.
Oh, I don't do it too freaky. My name is Akona.
Watch your tongue.
I'll cut you and I'll treat her into pieces to spread.
Yo Shatingo. What's the baby? Or what a Jaco never Vivian.
Watch your tongue.
My dear, the same man. I know that only. One cast at the other boy home by Obi.
I don't care. I believe in my dreams.
Do I look like your type?
Take it cool, man.
Do I look like your class?
Are you class, man?
Yo Shatingo Nede. Okay, sit down.
Is it a crime to love a woman? What's a man? Don't you from fear?
That's the Miracle Films Accra in a Kumasi The Spice Stores Accra in a Kumasi on your Cantamanto.
Nonsense. Are you an auto mechanic?
But you underestimating us. Where should we going to be those fixing all the 40 cars in this community?
Oh yeah, you mad. Stark raving mad. No man in his right senses will give his car to things like you. Now leave this place before I slap those ugly mouths of yours shut.
You have to tell me for you. Get accident.
at the E-front to turn my living room into a nightclub, yeah?
Papa, that's also a nightclb. You feel in this house a nightclub.
Exactly.
Now time crazy.
Papa, Danny's right. He's right. You better say day club than saying night club. What is the time? In fact, what is the time? 12 p.m. So, Papa, if you say night club, it is wrong. Say day club so that we will enjoy. Hey, we will enjoy, Papa.
What did I do wrong? And where did I go wrong? I've always been trying to keep fit. But look at these midgets and midgefungos you've given me for children.
Papa, what are you insinuating? Papa, is
Oh, your children. But very abnormal children with ugly dispositions.
Papa, brother,
You don't say that to me. Nonsense. Count yourselves lucky that I'm in a good mood today. Stupid. Next time, turn my living room into a day club or a night club or whatever you call it. And then you will show me whether I gave birth to you or you gave birth to me. Nonsense. Idiots. Look at things like this.
There's this question I want to ask you.
business. Kasi you business also. Ukona business.
Okay, let me rephrase the question. We want to ask you a question.
Who and who?
My brother and I.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
But why do you hate us so much? That is one. Number two. Why so stingy with the money? And then, the last but not the least. What do you do when you go out every night? Would you mind an answer now?
I don't hate you. I'm trying to bring you up according to the instructions of the Bible, which says, train up the child in the way he should go, and when he grows, he will never depart from it. And that's what I'm doing.
Do you agree?
Well, if you say so, let's consider him.
But Papa, what about question number two? Thinking about your money.
I am not stingy, but very economical. You see, it's not good for a father to be extravagant. Now, as to your third question, what I go out to do in the night is none of your business. Period.
Hi.
Okay, well, let me first make an introduction. I am a from Tetaku, and my brother here is Danny Boy.
Danny Boy.
Yep. And so, you know, we were just taking a walk, and we spotted you girls standing here with these area boys. You know what? I want you to know that you girls are very beautiful, okay?
Thank you.
You're very beautiful.
I said, you pass your cane and say, say, my move for the city. One number for Tay. I think I'm only an empty.
Yes, I think we're in love with you, yes.
Mupe a man I no woman. Money to woman home.
Yes.
I said,
I think we're in love with you, yes.
Can you imagine?
More patches a man I no woman. Woman who ya move.
Enti
Mopenya woman. One fatam. Two parts of one fatam. Asrewa, Mammy Chow, Asrewa, or Montan can see a dinner form.
Huh?
Above
Shut up! Look! You guys have got to be going to over here, okay? Don't talk like that. You understand? And you have any idea of who we are? Can you imagine?
No.
You
bastard! Hey! Come again.
Don't bring me down. I'm going to smash your face.
Calm down.
What the hell?
Bring him down, please.
Just for me.
Jam corner so much.
Me so much.
Jam corner so much.
It's okay.
Vanity for the vanity.
Fred, leave the pot out of here.
Oh, poor child and for your back.
Jam corner so much.
Fred, it's okay. Fred.
Babu, go.
Yeah, come down. Oh, Collins.
Listen. Ghana is becoming too free. I mean, why should the government allow these things to enjoy democracy?
Ask me again. I want myself. I'm in love.
Why you ma kona na suko no ma asamre ka da boarding house o ba be pe o ba.
My change as a boarding house. Primary school boy. I am a positive boy.
Wa to rebu asia ka geography mu brofo sa. O de ko ma pe. You fool. Typically fool another fool.
You again? What is it again?
There is no cause for alarm. You're passing in the pay. You could money.
So what do you want from us?
I think we're in love with you.
What? What did you say? Hey.
I think.
What? In love with who? Me? Or just my friend?
You didn't put me in order to get your anything. Oh, no, before. I'm small for me.
How dare you? You, small boys like you. What do you know about love? Do you even have feelings at all?
Hey! You can only know when you try. Try and see. A banana in a trouser. Yeah.
Look, go home to your parents, okay? It is not our nature to love boys of your kind. You are like our little brothers in primary school. Did you hear her? Nonsense.
Don't mind the body. Mind the engine. Mind the engine. Some hey! But bomb some say. Come on, put a phone number. Bonjour. Young 7 now. 7. Your ministers, ma. And your one more. Money present, ma. And you know more. No more.
So, why are you coming after us? If you have a president's daughter as a girlfriend.
Babe, you know, we fed up with the parties, with the politics, with the traveling. I mean, we need another taste. And the taste is you.
It's your mother. Let me tell you, listen to me, eh? We're not interested, okay? Keep on searching. Idiots.
Are you okay?
Cynthia, let's go. The next time you try it again, you'll see.
It's a something bad. Macam's meaning now.
Miss Cusiniana, and me. Send your man, send your me. You know, darling, don't worry. Our time is coming. One of these girls will be chasing us for us to love them. Look, small guy, don't be exaggerating, okay? You know, in all things, let me give comments. I mean, for that, okay? Comment about it, okay? Next time, you see, they'll come themselves to come and love us, okay? We would intersect. Let's go next time.
Cynthia, I have never ever in my entire life been disrespected like those idiots just did. I am so furious. Let's just say it didn't happen. Or maybe they are not normal. Yeah, maybe they are not normal. My sister, I don't know. See how they were bluffing and bursting. One death, they say, will never end. It will surely end because under no circumstance will a girl like me, Shiba, entertain those rats in my heart. My heart here is strictly for Fred and no one else. Hey, also a friend did this. Oh, leave me alone. Let's go.
When a man is in love with a woman, he goes to any length to know all about it. So, yes, we have come here to take you girls out, to go and spread you. We have dough, money, cash, billionaires, I mean in disguise.
Okay, then, wait for me here. I'm going to call my sister, okay? Guess what, guys? Those Eskimos have come. You mean those two frisky children?
Patches. I'm almost about Minini. Sometimes the name of you
Would you submit me a chantro? They said they've come to spend some time with Beshaba and I.
Yeah, look.
Are you serious? How can I laugh?
Look, Collins. I mean, this joke is becoming too expensive. We have to put an end to it now or never.
Mama.
Namo pedewa.
Chese, kwa mdi ombe faso. Kisi atu amani. Se mi so mu o. Mi di mutiri me klaki mo man. Wa muti kuro wa se bo so mto. Di wache.
Mo kura isaka. Abande mo kwati petrol magana.
Se mo ya di bi kan mo ho na ya de mo ma aban. Na de mo ko free petrol. E ma o man. What in America sika wo mo ho mo mani mi ya ni abi
amuja unya
tutake ayo
哇，不是，你们中午昨天上午，都说莫为那啥的，那边没家东西，我不好吃呀，我搞不定，我不好。我塞，全部弄成那瓦水瓦子。那家那不会煮，谁是皮肤？你把你们养在我们面前。No, it is not their fault. It is that of those idiots that call themselves big boys. You see, money is the answer. Look at us. Our father is rich, but yet we are poor. Papa will be the enemy of progress. And he's the cause of all our failures. Street West. Street Sibia Una. Oh, mommy. That's what I found. Mommy, Sibia Musim. Who am I prosecuted? Don't see Libya. Unti, Papa, oh, wow, are you sure all those things will work? Nanka. These guys are not food as we think. They know you can never die today. You know, money will be better than waste. It is written, money answers all questions, including I have problem. Solve some problem. See you first go. I go to young boy when you are able to why?
You guys are going out, right?
Exactly. Any problem?
Okay, not at all. Nothing did happen. But we've made some cash, yes. And we thought it wise to come and spread details. Yeah.
Are you sure you guys can take good care of us when we go out?
Oh, sure. Oh, Emma. Yes, can you have a problem? This come on, so feel. So, grand. In this canal, let us one. You're too good.
Madam, pay you pay no point me. Janet and Tabek. Now Janet is one year for your Corinne any ice cream. The brother of Mr. Big that was your fried rice and chicken.
Are you sure that'll be okay for you girls?
Oh, sure. Maybe something else might come up for now.
We bought this for you. I mean, enjoy yourself, okay? You know, if only you guys would love us back as we love you, you have no problem, okay? As far as finance is concerned, you know, those boys you see are hungry guys. Society calls them one-day gentlemen. Yes. Someone separate them. See, I'm going to make them share. I want them to see the see. Shall we meet me? Now I walk around and all that he's trying to say is that we have financial potentiality. I mean, to transfigure you from one stage to another. Only if you would accept our love.
Oh, we are all yours.
Just prove it, that's all.
Okay, we'll prove it. We'll give it to us someone separate. Yes. Now you tell me one put the lady back. Hey, what you was up there? Come in, people. Oh, you see, we've started giving you this malt Guinness. I mean, we're in the process, okay? Enjoy yourself.
Okay.
So it's from one side. And we're saying, you don't want to do what you don't.
Hey.
And give me more drinks.
That's all?
Yeah.
Oh, Mama. Daddy boy.
We are all yours. Don't worry.
Chichuku. Danny boy. What the hell are you guys doing over here?
One more word from you, and I'll prove to you how deadly a wounded lion can be. Nonsense. I mean, who are you to ask me what I'm doing here? Nonsense.
Masa, OWUSU sang boy, man, no boy. OWUSU sang boy.
Hey, Sugar, Cynthia. I mean, what the hell are you doing with these things? These animals?
Come on, sorry. We are sorry. It won't happen again. We are sorry. I'm sorry.
And you, listen, stay away from them, or else I'll skin you alive. Let's go.
Girls are caused. Chichukunyomo. Some was your phone. Oh, many man who know. Who can give me a view from?
Look, we must not give up on them. We must teach them a lesson, do you understand?
Exactly. Sure. What a deviation Sawati.
Daddy, Hima magazine is gradually becoming the magazine that we are it will be. We've made tremendous improvement that will pleasantly surprise our readers. These changes demonstrate our commitment toward high standard and excellency.
Now listen, the two of you. 1 million cedis has suddenly grown wings and flown out of my briefcase. Now, which of you two rapscallions helped the 1 million cedis to get out of my briefcase?
We don't know anything about your money. Danny, have you seen the best money?
Me. Oh, you're paying ground share.
Now, look, you better get serious and tell me which of you stole that money before I strangle you two to death.
Today again, Papa. You're simply looking for trouble, you know. We're not saying you're missing money. How could we have known you had money when we had already declared you as a broker? Papa, the other time when we asked you about being stingy and going out, you told us it is none of our business.
You know, please, we are sorry for what happened the other time, okay? You guys should find a place in your heart to forgive us.
Oh, Daddy, I tell you, many, because you almost said, in free more on. Crossing the boys over for almost having boyfriends now. Oh, there's a problem in a bar.
Don't mind them. They are enemy of progress, you know. They are enemies.
We know. That is why we did not take it against you people. So, how's everything?
Everything is not fine. As you can observe, the house is dry. No food, no money.
Okay. You say, that shouldn't bother you at all. Money will flow. Money will come. You are here with money boys. Billionaires in disguise, okay? No shake.
And we were hoping that you guys should give us some money at least to settle some domestic costs, you know.
Hey! Yes, come boy, it's in the pumping. Bashaka, a diniska. I said a crab in a way of one. A deep 1 2 1 2. Yeah, you could shift down. You just put down, say, Nexiska.
Why don't we come with you guys to the bank?
That won't be necessary, okay? You guys should, relax and wait for us, okay? We're gonna be back very soon, okay?
In that case, I would advise that you guys should go early so that I can come back early. Yeah, do that.
Yeah, we're gonna come back, okay? Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Can you imagine? God. Billionaires in disguise, indeed. I don't know. Look at me, the Shiva. I told you, these little things. Hey! Thinking they can handle me. The Shiva. Oh my God, they are crazy. Don't worry, let them go and come. But the time, you be real no. Almost I feel like you're warm size. We're not going out anymore. We'll relax and wait for them. We'll chill. Hey! We shall see.
What's your surgery? What's in your surgery? Don't look up. It's your birthday. It's gonna be.
Yes, I catch what I'm saying.
You go down.
Hey. Sorry. More plan. Unsa papa, o si kaso ni yun. Ay, basta si kano ko yun. Wala ka kasa uy.
Where plan?
Manusi wala kese sana. Linya kitwana yana ama waje amba fanya. Papa nisika. Kujua pusika.
Ujaju papa.
Aju papa. Cause guess this is a normal tiafama ya. Also so we be ready spread you.
No kopa na kaskano e be shebi. Akonkubi se do bia.
Ye de mbe pi
be fo so do pi.
Spread you one.
Ati, tuli enko.
The mother of this country is freedom and justice.
Freedom
and justice.
Idiot. You fool. Kwame Nkrumah called in freedom and justice by no and we ko. Who people small little boy. Who baba catch him say freedom and justice with ya. One brown was a man from class 7
Look, chasing girls that are bigger than you won't do you any good. Mami Hossi. Mami Hossi. Eti wa
eji fon kola we o adi no
o si eguma nu me ho mo pari
ana mo ni se no kra no mu pira mo o mu bi eso amutimi som woni me sa se wa mo ntam kese ya de ne hwe fom asi ko no ma wo ba be pe we lusu no a unto mu woni me se baba mo ya de o ani ma o mu bi eso kira mo size anya hwe mo de ma ba bi twam a ne mo la se anya mo hwe
is Musaya watchman Sofia.
Why am I? What's here? Why am I?
Watchman.
Why?
Mummy.
Yeah, you wouldn't mind. What's in mine?
You're fucking here to my young phone watchman.
Oh, and the must say to the baby auntie. Yes, any baby you.
And the must say no for two. No mamma can travel. The next school for. And I had young. Yan ya say on. You bet me. You bet me what the fuck so. Again, yeah, so.
You will not trouble. Lunch, who bet me, mamma?
Oh, a phone, no. A phone, I had Machina. A phone, come on. A phone, what did you feeling bad?
Oh, but I can't tell me a day.
Yeah, feeling bad.
Oh, yes, Christmas. So, baby, out.
You're feeling bad. I will let Papa Belle beat you if you.
Papa Belle. Call it Papa Belle, woman Belle. Mumu say na ban here mo de mo akwaje petrol abere man. Mo na ma rough.
For see how say that.
Papa Belle discipline me.
You do me see.
Mama go ba man here. Amona, I tell you mo. Who can you?
The Collins. If you don't bring me down,
Mimi bring you.
I'll use this belt on you.
Sweat. Who be Grammy. Fellow brother. Emmanuel, when I come to Pian from Mediadi, fellow brothers. What about you so bad? Cobamania.
Daddy!
Oh!
Daddy! Oh, Daddy!
Danny!
Oh!
Also for Hesi.
Oh!
Make it to set a witness. Come on now. Tamaza. We'll fast like. Stand there. I'm standing. Come.
Daddy!
Don't follow my girl. Idiot. Come. Meet you. Oh, okay. No. If you don't, we started to see from you draft. Just draft.
That's
Okay, people. I feel connection. Come. Over say. Walking boy.
like a crab and
Let's come here. I need the money.
In fact, I'm serious.
You are serious?
If you don't
I'm
bring
also
me down,
serious past you.
I'll use this belt on you. Daddy! Hey, Daddy, what's up with me? Hey! Oh,
like a crab.
I'm dead, though.
I'm very cake. I'm very good. Me and come at your book. Hey, come.
Where are the pepper?
I'm jump. I'll catch you. Jump. I didn't come out bad here. Me and come at your book. Make me easy. Keep on. Yeah, what? So me pass out some moment. Yeah, la momo. So, come on. Come on. My dad is impossible.
Coconut juice.
Gentlemen. Yes. I never knew I've been living with my equals till last night. And I'm wondering why you boys have not settled down yet.
Oh, but we're in the process of settling down.
Oh, you're in the process of settling down.
Yeah, but exactly.
I see.
Papa, you say a percent if you are in check. You're warning you, you don't go to any fee.
Clap for yourselves. And woe betides that unfortunate woman who will be digging her own grave to have you as husbands.
Papa, what do you mean? What are you trying to insinuate?
Now you better tell me the truth before I skin you alive so you don't realize the wedding you are planning. Now, for how long have you been watching blue films in this house? Am I talking to human beings or inanimate objects? Idiots. I said, for how long have you been watching blue films under my roof?
Papa, we've been watching for a long time, but it wasn't under your roof.
Papa, it was in a video club.
Then how come I saw these things in your room?
Let me see. Hey! Papa, oh, is that why you are annoyed? Papa, no shaking. It is not ours, but that of the owner of the video club. He gave it to us to keep it for him. We even thought it was musical videos, musical video, Danny. But we don't know it was. But let me see it was. We thought it was musicals. Yes, we didn't know.
No wonder God in his infinite wisdom created you midgets as you are, psychopathic liars, midgefumos, devils. And I'm not going to sit down for you demons to initiate me. I'll beat the demons out of you. You understand? And I'm starting right away. Now you get up, come on. Get up. Get up. Now bend down. Take the kid. Give them 6 hard ones. If you don't do it properly, I'll show you how to do it.
Papa, I'll do it well.
Correct.
Oh, Danny. Kunturmo wate. Danny kunturmo. Danny.
Hurry up.
Danny mbumu ko susubu wo feel secret no. Danny. Akatu. Oh, Danny.
Give it to him. Take it.
I don't miss you. Papa, if you have finished with the punishment, why don't you give us the blue film so that we send it back to the owner of the video?
Give me my key, then I'll give you the blue film. You give me my key. Nonsense.
We don't know you such a wicked man. Papa.
Yeah. That reminds me. What sort of books are they?
Papa, one is called Joe, and the other is called Grant, and the last is called Faye. So we normally call them geography books.
I see. Geography books. So how much is Joe?
Papa, Junior, 100,000 cities. And a grand year, 250. And a finish year, 250. Papa, in nice 100,000.
You hold it. Now you take this. Now you take very good care of it. Understand? Now you will see that how your father is trying to give you good education, right?
Okay, Papa.
So you boys learn very hard, alright? Now, I'm already late for work, so see you, right?
Papa, I shall see you. Papa, drive that lucky.
Alright.
Education is expensive. Try ignorance.
Geo plus graph
No minus.
plus fee equals to geography. Next time, see, I will say education in all. See the for geography, what am I? Next time, different taco. Before you go super zonas, correct? The Konukoya 1 million, super zonas 2 million. No, but Piasso.
Oh, just in the upper point, we should not say that they are white hammer.
So, anyway.
people get out of my way before I use force on you?
Papa Yesu. Papa, send me near Nasa Musioni. Oh! And praying, I mean, can't you say? Munyas are my HD. Oh, that a Mugum when you was you. Really, Moon and Namasi Boris. I am a felly.
Who's Uncle Foy? What? I didn't want to say. Yes, I send upon home team.
Yes, I send away 3 minutes. And then, you're been your mom. You're put on ice kinky. And yeah, no more baby. Now, a grab one of you, I hope a plan of 5,000 more to glue it. It will be a judge and one of passing with you. Who is a dear pan on bits mine? Over Tetes was and memoir. We are off, maybe when you swim.
What sort of silly nonsense warning is that? Who are you? And do you have any idea of who we are? Or our father is? Don't you know we have political and social will to deal with you? I mean, drastically, do you understand?
Okay. Discipline me. Deal with us. Go ahead.
You two, I mean, how dare you twat? Open up your mouth at any convenient radios and by such words.
I'm ready. Watch out. Yes, and simple yes. Leave. Can't go. Away. Because it's a better me. Never continue to be awesome.
Give it to me.
What's angry ball? Go. Yeah, you man in your yeah. Did you have a time, Yaji? Let's go. When you said to me, money in my let's go. Debbie, but Debbie, as you bet it. You fool. Next time. Next time. I'll cut your neck. Understand? When I'm with all your bow, oh, you're fucking now. Never did you be about next time. Idiot.
The way we're not lucky with those babies. You know, look at what happened today.
Uncle Foy, I don't know what train is Jesus. We don't just gonna be you. Just going to me no more.
Okay, I think a car would do because girls nowadays are car conscious. You know, without a car, no love.
Wow! So you mean you guys came with your own car?
Sika, come here, sir.
What do you grab for the crap? One with the caboisi. It won't found me in a competition. You know, and whom you should be near the end of your crew.
Hey! You guys should be very grateful that another guy could do what you two couldn't do for us. Where were you on my birthday? And you're telling me what to do and what not to do. Please, don't even start. Don't even get me angry. This living room is not a hotel, huh? What? Idiot!
Me we anka me transe dwe me ho bontin so ni betra wasa me nuanum never ovie ni ba awo aka wa ya no we never want to wo ebo no krasa o aman kontom pandroso abrabo mwa me jeni di o me tiri mo semia na me ka tre no na me ni me semre bi bedro mo na me bone ebo no ni panyo once only power and chow rubble. What a master no macrazo. Now no different from the sense of Vuvo. Uncle Uncle Bisamia. What me say me to was I am from so. Ibo mi uyanga ya eba ko. Ibo mi uyanga de ne drokra. Enti we bi ya adwen ho. One way I am from so. I say say. Ona fufu nyina be pa wo. Ibo wano asem ti. One way I better na bodenda.